Hello, my beautiful girlies. Welcome to my channel. It's Kritika Kaushal Khurana, and today we'll talk about hairstyles. Are you also tired of boring old straight hair look? Well, I'm here to teach you very simple hairstyles at home in 1 minute, even if you're bad at it, and you'll be able to rock all your parties from this party season.
Roughly take a partition from front, approx 2 to 2.5 inch, from both sides of your hair. Twist it in direction away from your face tightly. Now take another section and do the same on it. Now twist it in the direction away from face tightly and tie both of these strands together. Now tie rest of your loose hair loosely with a clutcher or a band, that's your call, and take the tied hair behind the clutcher, and it's done. And your sleek hair look is ready without any hassle of pins and anything, and it will stay in place whole day. This looks so pretty.
If you're not a middle parting girly, then you can take a side parting. Let me teach you how. You can take any side. Well, this side suits me. So I will roughly take this parting. Take roughly one side and twist it tightly. Then take this section of your hair and just overlap it like this. Then tightly pin it up. Now curtain your hair like this. And you're good to go. If you like your hair like this, you can leave it like this. But if you want something jazzy, then you can use these pins. These are easily available on Amazon and Blinkit as well. This is easily available anywhere. Just take one pin, open it up, and slide it in your hair like this. Open it up and slide it in your hair like this. Open it up. Open it up. It's that easy. Believe me. For an easy bun hairstyle, well, do this. Make a pony. You can make any pony you like, and you can take out the flicks like this. If you don't like a flicks, don't add a flicks. I like a side parting with some flicks, so I will make that pony. Secure your ponytail really tightly. Your ponytail needs to be as tight as you like. Turn your ponytail into two partings. Take one side and twist it. secure it nicely and do the same on the other half. Now, we have two twisted braids. It looks something like this from the back. Now take the first one and wrap it around. Take some bob pins and secure it. Believe me girls, this doesn't need to be clean. Now take this one and do the same. Tuck away any hair that's visible. And you can move on with your life like this. Believe me girls, your Juda doesn't need to be very clean. Nobody cares. Well, you can go on with your party like this, or you can get these. These are Gajra rubber bands. They come in a pack of 2. They're very easily available on Amazon and Blinkit as well, and they're very very cheap. So you can get these to enhance your Juda look, to enhance your parties, to add some drama. And I'll also add these to my Juda. So just put these rubber bands on like this. If you like one is sufficient, you can add one. If you want to, for more drama, heavier one, you can add 2. I'm going to add 2. So and you're ready to go.
If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.